How do you like the zoo?
I like it.
Yeah?
Especially because I get to pet goats.
You get to pet goats? But we have goats at home.
I know.
What animal did we just get? What's the newest addition to our hobby farm?
Pot roast.
Pot roast? And what is pot roast?
A cow.
Yeah, but
bull.
he's a what kind of bull? What kind of cow or bull?
Meat steer?
No. He's a Hereford.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, if you guys don't know, this is my daughter, Eloise. This is my oldest daughter. Actually, she was born right when I was actually starting to do what you guys see right here behind me. So kind of a special thing to include her in today's update. Well, we are done. You guys see I got dirty hands because we are done. We've got everything edged. We got all of our liner cut. We've got everything pulled back, backfilled, edged, finished, all of it. It's up and running. We got both pumps running right now. We still don't have power. We're supposed to get power next week. So our next update, our final update, is going to be when we actually have power out here and when we're going to turn on all the pumps, get all of this waterfall running, and show you guys how fantastic this whole thing is in all of its glory when it's all running and not just in the standby mode that you guys have seen it in for the past 3 weeks. So, hope you guys enjoy all of the B-roll we're about to show you about how this thing has gone from absolutely nothing to a giant pile of boulders over here that nobody in this entire zoo had any idea or knew what was happening with them. And then all of a sudden in 3 weeks, we turn it into this, and then another 3 weeks, we finally get everything finished to the point to where we can actually get our landscapers in here and they can do all their plants, their mulch, all of that kind of stuff to really jazz this thing up. So super excited for them to come in. So until all that's done, this is it. We are officially done with the Potawatomi Zoo. See you guys later.